So what is ActiveCampaign? What's going on? My name is Carlos A. Vasquez, founder of Automation Gorillas, also known as the Miami Marketer. And what I want to talk to you about today is basically what is ActiveCampaign in my own words. And to kind of just get straight to it, ActiveCampaign is one of those tools that's meant specifically for creating marketing automation and sales automation. Plus, you can actually use it for internal, operational, even fulfillment automations as well. ActiveCampaign is one of those tools. For example, let's talk about marketing automation. So if you've built your email list and you have any type of campaign out there, ActiveCampaign will help you automate the email messages that will be automatically sent to that contact based off of when they signed up or based off of specific activity that they've done with your email. So for example, if they have opened your emails and clicked on a link and visited your page, we can have ActiveCampaign automatically send messages based off of that behavior. It also allows you to install tracker codes on every page that you own, so that way ActiveCampaign can track every page visited by that contact. So basically, you can create smart marketing automations based off of that person's behavior. So when they sign up, what they visit, etc. Now, sales automation. Now, if they enter into your system, ActiveCampaign can also help you drive someone to make a purchase on your site, or even schedule an appointment on your calendar, so that way you can start your sales process. So that's how ActiveCampaign can also help you with your sales automations. Now, when it comes to like workflow and fulfillment, when a purchase is made, ActiveCampaign can also send that contact's information to some other system, so that way all of your systems are in tune, are in sync. So like if they buy a t-shirt, ActiveCampaign can track that purchase was made and then can send that contact's information to wherever it needs to go to for fulfillment, for let's say shipping something out or whatever the case is. So ActiveCampaign can basically help you automate all of those different areas. And what's really cool about ActiveCampaign is that the price starts at I think it's like $9 a month if you pay for like a year up front for a monthly subscription. But if you don't go for the annual pricing and you decide to go monthly, then it's like $15 a month. That's where you can start. You could also use it for CRM purposes, meaning customer relationship management purposes. And what that means is basically while you're trying to work a deal, work someone to start the sales process all the way till they actually sign the contract, ActiveCampaign can track all of that communication between you and that contact, that lead, so that way you can close more deals. All right. So ActiveCampaign is one of those like really robust tools that I believe every business needs, no matter whether you're a service business or a commerce business. ActiveCampaign really does help you push your contacts forward and helps you keep control over everything. Now, you shouldn't confuse ActiveCampaign for just being an email service. That's just one component of it. ActiveCampaign does so many different things, and it really does help you really track from the moment they enter your system to basically to the next step in your sales process or the next steps in your sales process. All right, so that's basically what ActiveCampaign is. In my opinion, there's so much more that's not even covering enough of what it can do, but I'm gonna go ahead and definitely show you some more stuff that I've done with ActiveCampaign, so that way you can leverage it into your business. Once again, Carlos Vasquez, founder of Automation Gorillas. And if you're the type of business that needs automations built out on a frequent basis, and you just need someone to crush it out, I have a flat rate, unlimited building service just specifically for automations, no matter what automation platform you have out there. If you need somebody to take care of it, we have a service for that. And that's it. So that's all. Carlos Vasquez, Miami Marketer, Automation Gorillas. Talk to you soon.